Hello friends, today I'll show you how to change the color of winter warm set in Photoshop. First of all, select the clothing area using the lasso tool. If you want to add small areas, press Shift and select them. If you want to cut or deselect an area, press Alt and make the selection again. After completing the selection, go to Adjustments, Replace Color. Now set the values. After completing all that, press OK. Now you can see that the clothing color has been changed.